Oh, this is gonna be such a bad idea. I'm gonna get stuck in there or something. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Wow, my bike is a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, this is the stupidest thing I've ever... It's going down. Oh my god, no. Little fool, sorry. Sorry. This is the dumbest shit I've ever done. She was just like, oh god. Let's wheel it out. Don't mind the sports bike coming through. Alright, this is gonna take a few tries. This just looks so stupid. And we are done. Fender eliminated. I'll show it from the other side. That's it from the other side. No more huge black taily thing. It's nice and clean. Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit. If anyone's wondering what that tubey thing is under it, that's something we need to have in Australia, Victoria. It's our registration. So that just like spins. So you can see the whole registration sticker. It's a bit annoying we have to have it, but it's got to be somewhere. So yeah, that's how the bike's looking now, with the M4 GP exhaust, Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit. So, more shit to come though, so keep in touch, subscribe, like me on Facebook, also Twitter RidingWithTom, Facebook RidingWithTom, down below in the description. Get on it. Peace out.